What is up guys? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna make a tutorial on how to make chocolate chip cookies. Let's go. Now making chocolate chip cookies isn't hard. It's very easy. What you need? First, you need some 350 grams of cookie mix flour. Next, you will need 100 grams of sugar. The next item is 100 grams of crushed walnuts, 350 grams of chocolate chips, 250 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of butter, and last but not least, 2 eggs. Now the first step is to combine the butter, the brown sugar, and the sugar. But first, we need a bowl mixer. Now you want to put the 250 grams of butter inside the mixer bowl. The next step, you want to put the sugar and the brown sugar. Once you put all of them inside, you need to mix the bowl.
You want to make sure it's light and fluffy.
Now it's light and fluffy. Now the next thing, you're gonna put 2 eggs, but first you need to crack it open.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my...
Once you have cracked the egg open, now you can put inside the bowl mixer. The next step is to put 2 eggs, but first you need to put 1 by 1. So I'm going to put the first yolk inside of the mixing bowl. Once it's inside, you can stir it as usual. Once the first egg is dissolved, you can put the second egg inside. Once you have mixed the eggs, now you can put the mixing flour. Now I'm going to stir it. I'm not going to mix it, but I'm going to stir it. So you want to put, you don't want to put all of them inside because it will ruin the mixture. So you want to put it little by little. And you want to stir it really good. You want to scrape the sides of the bowl so you don't want to waste any flour. You want to scrape the bottom of the mixture so that you can get all of the flour. Then you can go ahead and put the other balance of the flour. Remember not to put everything because it will ruin the mixture. Now it would look something like this. Once you have finished mixing the cookie mix flour, now you can add the chocolate chips. Now this one you can put everything inside. But make sure you don't mix it too long because it will be, the color of the brown color will be dark. So you want to mix it about 1 minute.
A few moments later.
You want to scrape the bottom to make sure the chocolate chip stays in the bottom. Once it's done, it will look something like this. Now you will also need a baking tray to put the cookies. Now you want to put a little bit amount of the dough. You don't want it to be too big or too small. So the accurate amount is this.
Before you put in the cookies, you need to preheat your oven on 170 degrees for 20 minutes. After preheating the oven, you can lower down the degree by 160 degrees and put it to 20 minutes for the baking process. Make sure your oven is fully preheated before you start baking your cookies. If you put the cookies in before your oven reaches full temperature, they'll take longer to bake. This gives the butter in the cookie dough more time to melt and spread out, and you could end up with thin, flat cookies. "20 minutes is up. Now it's time to serve the cookies." I present
What we
to
do
you
here is go
chocolate
back,
homemade
back,
cookies.
back.
Now it's time to try it out. Let's eat. Yum. It's very nice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you. Peace out.